Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix packet burst, hyping and lag spikes in Call of Duty Black Ops 6 or Warzone. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, I will show you easiest way. You just need to go to Task Manager, and Task Manager you need to look for performance, then 3 dots, resource monitor, go to network, and then eliminate tasks that you don't use while you play the game and that uses a lot of your network data. So for example, LG Hub, I don't use it, I can right click on it and end process and end all the tasks that you don't need. Then what you need to do here, you need to open a browser, then you just need to write Activation server status, and then you just need to look for online services and select your platform and look if the servers is not down on these platforms. And if the service is down, you just need to wait. If the service is not down, we can proceed with other steps. And other steps are, you just need to go to fast.com and test your internet speed first. If you're getting good internet speed, you can proceed with other steps. If you don't, maybe limits of devices, restart your router, or use the Ethernet cable if there is a possibility. Then what you need to do here is to open up command prompt or cmd, right click on it, run as admin. And here you need to put few commands. First one is IP config /flush DNS. Another command is nesh winsock reset. After that, close this. Go to a settings. On settings, you need to go to network and internet, advanced network settings, and then close disable VPN if you use. If it's enabled, press network reset and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your Wi-Fi password again. If you're using Ethernet cable, don't worry, you don't need to do here nothing. Then go to control panel, go to network and sharing center, select change adapter settings, right click on your internet connection, go to properties, double click on internet protocol version 4, and then select use the following DNS server addresses and write 8.8.8.8 and on alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4 and apply the changes. Restart your computer, look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, just write run or press Windows and I key. Then here you need to just write gpedit.msc. And here you need to look for Windows settings, then look for policy-based QoS, right click on it, advanced QoS settings, select DSCP marking override, select control DSCP marking request from applications and services and select ignored. Apply. Then right click again, create new policy, then give it a name. So for example, COD. Here put 46 and then go next. Select only applications with this executable name. This means exe. So then just go to your client where you got Call of Duty. In my case is Xbox gaming. Then I just need to go to Call of Duty. Then manage, and here go to files, browse, and here I need to find Call of Duty exe file. So content, and it will be Call of Duty, as you can see here, it named Call of Duty exe. If you don't know how to find it, in Steam it's quite similar, but if you don't know how to find it, you just need to go to run the game, open up Task Manager, and then look for your tasks here. So for example, let's say Steam is our COD, and then you just need to right click on it, go to details, and then you will see what the exe file is running, and then go to details and then open file location, and you will be in the file location. So copy that particular file location of your Call of Duty and look how Call of Duty is named. So for me is cod.exe. So I just need to go to policy and write cod.exe. Next, select any source IP address, any destination IP address. Then select here TCP and UDP and finish. And then look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then go to Windows Defender Firewall. Then select allow an app or feature. Then select change settings, allow another app, browse. Then paste the path that you copied. Scroll down until you see exe and add it. Right? If using Windows, Microsoft, or Xbox services, you cannot add it. It's already added. But if you use Steam or Battle.net, it should be added here. And then Same thing with virus and threat protection. You just need to go to virus and threat protection. Then you need to go to virus and threat protection, manage settings, add a remove exclusion. And then here press on add an exclusion folder, and then paste the path and add exe file, not exe, but select Call of Duty and select folder and add it. And look if the problem persists if you when you restart your computer. If this did not help, then I highly advise you to use ExitLag. It has 72 hours free trial, and you don't need to put any credit card details. So basically what it does is simply finds a nearest server for your game and connects to it. So, and it should be no packet loss or lower packet loss and ping, because your provider, internet provider, not always connect with you with the nearest server, and because of that you get a basically lower performance of your network. So cool feature, cool app. I always used it when I had basically not too good of the internet. And all you need to do here is to simply on search write the game. So for example, Call of Duty Black Ops 6, right? Then choose server region, then select, for example, Europe. And then what you need to do here is to apply routes. And once routes is applied, you can play the game and look if your network performance is increased or not. So yeah, that's basically it. Click the link in the description below. Download ExitLag. Do not pay, do not put credit card details. Just go to the bottom that says create a new account, create account. And then when you are on the dashboard, you just need to download ExitLag on your account dashboard. And then you can test it out. If it's working for you, then you can get a basically subscription with a 50% off through my link. But if it's still not working, you can just delete it from your PC and that's it. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.